Today we learn about the first chapter of 5th standard. The name of the chapter is Revision. In this chapter we recall what we had studied in 4th standard.
We know that 10 ones is equal to 110, 10 tens is equal to 100, 10 hundreds is equal to 1000, 10,000 is equal to 1 10,000, 10 10,000 is equal to 1 lakh, 10 lakhs is equal to 1 10 lakh. We know that the greatest 6-digit number is 9,99,999. When we add plus 1 to the 9,99,999, then we will get 10 lakh. 10 lakh is a smallest 7-digit number.
Let's begin the classes with first question, that is, write the numeral and number names that each diagram represents. This shown figure is abacus table. Let's solve the problem. In the abacus table, they have already given the place values. They are ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. Now, let's write the numeral seeing the abacus table. In abacus table, in 10 lakh place, how many bits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 bits. That means 4 at 10 lakh place. Lakh place, 6 bits are there. Means 6 at lakh place. 10,000 place, 3 bits are there. Then 1000 place, 6 bits. Then 100 place, 3 bits. Then tens place, 2 bits. And ones place, 4 bits. According to the Indian number system, from right side, 3 digit consists ones parade. After 2 digit consists thousand parade, and after 2 digit consists lakh parade. So we use comma to separate the parades. Next, we should write the number names according to the Indian number system. Here 46 lakh, because 4 at 10 lakh place and 6 at lakh place. So we call as 46 lakh. Then second one is a 36,000. Then 300. 320. 4. Moving on towards the next question. Write the number names. Here first we label the places. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. Here 7 at 10 lakh place and 6 at lakh place. 10 lakh and lakh place consist lakhs parade. So we call as 76 lakhs. 76 lakh. The next digit, which is in 10,000 place, is a 4. 4 at 10,000 and 5 at 1000 place. While reading a numeral, all digits in the same period are read together and the name of the period is read along with them. So we call as 45,000. 45,300 21. What is the answer? 76,45,321. What's the next question? Write the numeral for each of the following number names. So first one is a 30,23,528. The given question is in word form. Let's check the periods in the given question. 13 lakh. We know that lakh and 10 lakh places consist lakh period. Then 23,000 is the 1000 period. 528 is the ones period. So in lakhs period consist 10 lakh and lakh. Then 1000 period consists 10,000 and 1000. Then ones period consists 100, tens and ones. Here 13 lakh. That means 1 at 10 lakh place and 3 at lakh place. Then 23,000, 2 at 10,000 place and 3 at 1000 place. 528, 5 at 100 place. 20 means 2 at tens place and 8 at ones place. The answer is we use comma to separate the periods. So I will put here comma. We know that according to the Indian number system, after 3 digit, from right side 3 digit consists ones period, after 2 digit consists 1000 period, and after 2 digit consists lakhs period. Here we use comma to separate the periods.
Remaining questions are for the homework. Please complete the given homework. We will meet in next class.